Good morning, guys. It is July 15th at 9:50 a.m. and I wanted to show you quickly a PDF I just made for everyone's use in making predictions with astrology or reading your own chart. So it's basically just going to take you through the houses, the planets, and the signs, and we'll give you some examples. So I'm using this app in order to make these predictions. So what I can do is I can look at the 11th house, for example, and we see Venus and Rahu there with Gemini. So now let's open up the PDF and see what we can make a prediction from with that, or just interpret it however you want to see it. So let's take the word easy money. Okay, let's use Rahu here. Let's see endless passion. And let's say communication with Gemini. So if we take those three words, communication, endless passion, and easy money, you can see that right now for some people, it's a good time to be communicative because they're going to make a lot of money. And this is amplified right now with it being direct with Venus. So the North Node in Venus right now in the 11th house, it's really the perfect time to make some money if you're an astrologer, if you know how to do that, or if you're just somebody who happens to be communicating right now, it's a good time to make money. And so this would be anyone who's born on this date as well, because we pulled up a chart for the transits of today. Anyone who's born today is going to, in general, have an easy time making money through their communication. So that's one interpretation. Obviously, we can go back and we can use the other keywords I have here so you can make more interpretations. But this PDF should be really useful in people that are new to it and making simple predictions. So now let's take Jupiter in the 4th house in Scorpio there. And it's also in Jeshta. So I'll go over nakshatras in another video. But with the word Jeshta here, we can also use jealousy. So that would be a keyword for another video when I make potentially another PDF on nakshatras. So let's take 4th house. Let's go home. Then Jupiter, we'll go with the word teaching or teachers. And Scorpio, secret sex transformation. So I'm going to make a bunch of predictions here based on this, just because instead of using just one word, because that's pretty basic for an astrologer, but we can say that anyone born on this day would having gurus that teach them about sex, would be having teachers that teach them a lot of secrets. Okay. Would it be secret knowledge? Probably. But at a minimum, it's just secrets within the home. Okay. And we can say for a woman, with Jeshta here, she's going to be very jealous of men and sex in general. So that is how you make those kind of interpretations. We'll do one more here with the moon in the 6th house in Capricorn. So let's take a look at the PDF. So we'll go 6th house, health. Then we'll combine that with the moon, so mother. And then we'll combine that with Capricorn. So ambition, progression, high status. So we can say that somebody born on this day, their mother would be aiming for high status within a health field, for example. Or we can say that the mother may have to deal with some health issues, but definitely the mother will be dealing with other people's problems and be very caring in general. Okay. A lot of these will just come off the top of my head unconsciously because I've been doing this for a while, but you can use the PDF to really make accurate predictions for yourself and others. And so let's look at this from another angle too. Like for today as a transit, what do you think's happening? Well, at this time, maybe some people are having, let's use the word emotion instead of mother, for example. Some people's emotions are on health, or their mind will be on health. For example, let's take the word mind. And then let's say emotions could be on progression, high status. Could also be on health, pain, litigation. we can say that some people will have emotional pain at this time too. So there's a lot of different things you can interpret there. Some people will be dealing with litigation as well. Okay, so I hope that's useful, and go ahead and download the PDF and you can make your own predictions. You can use this for transits. You can use this for your own charts. You can use this for other people's charts. So cheers.